Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Kia Stinger. Now of course this is a 2-litre turbo. As you can see, you do get LED daytime running lights, halogen headlights, front parking sensors. You also get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. But coming round to the rear now, as you can see, you've also got rear parking sensors. You've then got a reversing camera just above the registration, just here. Then coming into the tailgate, as you can see, we do have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we do have your full leather interior with ISOFIX mounting point to the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start, and then coming inside you've got your electric driver's seat as well with the memory function just here. Then on the opposite side, on the passenger side, you do of course have electric seats again, just without the memory function. We've got two front heated seats, heated steering wheel. We've then got your parking sensors on or off. We've got your camera view just here as well, so you can choose what you would like to see. We've got your stop start off as well, traction control off, electric handbrake with auto hold. You do have 5 different modes to choose from, so you've got Smart, Eco, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. We've got your automatic gearbox just here as well, auxiliary and USB port with a little bit of additional storage. We've got dual climate control with all your other settings just in the middle. This can be operated via the touchscreen display as well. We've then got your various radio sources in the top left. So you've got DAB, FM and AM. On your media, you have your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth. We've got your navigation as well, so you can see all the maps just here. But then coming over to the steering wheel now, we've got your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, volume, track select. Over on the right hand side, on the far outside, we've got your cruise control settings just here, and on here you can choose between speed limiter or cruise control. Then your distance control is just below. The OK button and the bezel here and the little pages, they do control your onboard computer. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, but most importantly, as you can see, this car has only done 9,868 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Stinger, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.